Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can easily improve your battery life in Windows 11 in any PC. It is very easy to save your battery by doing some of the important settings in your PC. You have to go to the window icon below on the taskbar. Then you have to click on the settings. After you click on the settings, you will be able to see a settings pop-up window. On the left side top you will able to see a system option. You have to click on the system option. After you click on the system option, you will be able to see on the right side display, sound, notification, focus, and then on the below you will see power and battery option. You have to click on the power and battery option. After clicking on it, you will see some of the power saving settings. First setting, you will be able to see power mode. You have to click on it. After clicking on it, you will see three options. You have to click on best power efficiency so that you get the best long lasting battery for your PC. I already choose it to balanced. You can choose it to best power efficiency. Then on the below you will be able to see battery saver option. You will after clicking on it, you can also turn on it, or you can set its battery percentage so that it automatically gets turned on when the battery is as per the shown battery percentage. By default it's 20%. You can adjust it to 30, 40 or any percentage you want, or you can also choose it to always. And there is also a setting called lower screen brightness when using battery saver. You have to enable this so that when your battery gets low and your battery saver gets turned on automatically at the desired percentage. Hope this setting worked for your PC. Thanks for watching this video.